everyone, today I am present at Power Press Engineers India Private Limited.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Vivek Kumar. I am here as a business head for this division of Power Press Engineers India Private Limited. We are the company who are into diversified of engineering profile. As you can see that this is our company profile, and we are totally into machineries of machinery installation, that is the turnkey machinery installation. The another one is we are into plant relocation. We can relocate the entire plant as it is from any across the globe. The third one, we are into retrofitment. So we are into preventive maintenance, we are into maintenance. So any types of engineering support for production line or for manufacturing line, we are here to serve you, to give you the solution. So starting from civil to mechanical to electrical to automation, any sort of profile, we can serve you and we can give you the solution in the best way. We have a special equipment also. This is called hydraulic gantry. This is 800-ton gantry. This is the only gantry in pan India and across India. We are the only company who provides such a gantry who is having capacity of 800 ton. So this is the uniqueness of our company. No one else can give you such a good gantry, such heavy gantry on rental basis. So this gantry have a specific advantage. This is unique. This is very easy to handle, and this is very a special advantages in terms of machinery installation and engineering sector. So this is all about my company, Power Press. We are a group. Our group company is NTC Group. NTC Group having a diversified profile. They are into logistics. They are into ever renew. They are into infra. They are into multiple diverse field. So NTC Group is based in Chennai, and they are footprint. They having footprint in Singapore, in Australia, in Vietnam. So they are across. They are going beyond this boundary, and they are almost touching 2000 crore of business. So we have good financial backup, we are good in cash flow, and we are doing good, and we are retaining our customer, and we are every year we are adding more and more customers. Since this 3 to 4 years is a very it's very curse for all of the industry. So really we are feeling very happy that after all it's start resumed, and definitely these types of platform can give you a wings to explore your market, and IMTEX is the perfect platform where you can explore where you can explore your product, and you can get good market, and you can promote your brand. So IMTEX is a very good platform, and such types of events is really required to promote, especially the business venture who recently started and who are the just startup company. They require such types of platform, and we are very happy that we are here at IMTEX, and finally it has been started. So after this Corona's black time gone now, it's good to see again.